This is a Retrax Pro MX we just got done installing here at Truck Access Plus. It's a convenient cover, it's secure, it's stylish. You just use one hand to slide it back. It basically slides back on its own. You can lock this cover anywhere along the track. Just push down on the lock and it's secure. It won't move here. You can drive with it partially open. The covers come assembled from the factory. It uses 4 clamps to hold down the tracks on each side, and it rolls back into this canister that takes up about a foot of space, but you still get plenty of storage underneath, so you still have room to slide your luggage or whatever you need to load the bed with. This cover is a top of the line, has a lifetime warranty. We stock this one as well as many other top manufacturers here in Phoenix, or shop with us online at truckaccessplus.com.